You've probably seen the Dyson Supersonic hair dryer around the social media streets, and I am so excited that Dyson is sponsoring this video so I can try this out and share it with all of you. This will be a first impression review, and y'all already know I am going to give you the full what to do, how to use rundown the way that I do. So let's get into it. The Dyson Supersonic hair dryer is specifically engineered to protect hair from extreme heat damage while increasing smoothness by 75%, shine by up to 132%, and taming flyaways up to 62%. And in celebration of their 5th year, the Dyson Supersonic now includes 5 styling attachments, one of which is new, all engineered for different hair types and textures. The dryer and attachments are made with glass-filled nylon. Now, that's probably one you haven't heard before, but simply put, glass-filled nylon is highly heat resistant and it's very durable against vibration, abrasion, and chemical damage. The filter on this dryer is super easy to clean. You just twist to unlock, slide the casing down, wipe it off with a clean, dry microfiber or soft cloth, close and lock the casing, and that's it. No physical, messy filter mesh to replace. Now I am going to show you how all of the attachments work. I just cleansed and conditioned my hair and set my curls, so I am ready to dry. All of the attachments are magnetic and easily snap on, but they are very sturdy, so you don't have to worry about them flying off while in use. I am going to start with the diffuser. This is such a quiet dryer. Like, you can still hear me talking. Very nice. It has 2 layers of mesh that evenly distribute airflow against the range of speed settings to give you more control in drying curls without disrupting definition, and long prongs to let you dry more hair at a time. The design is made to simulate natural air drying while reducing frizz. I am using this on low heat with low speed, and I really love how fast this is working to dry without blasting too much heat into my curls. This is the best diffuser I've used. I like to lean into diffusing and start by gathering the ends and then gently guiding up. You want to avoid lots of hair flipping and shaking at this stage of drying so that you don't disrupt the definition. I also like to let my hair set for about 20 minutes before starting to diffuse so that the product is really settled into my clumped sections. And then when it's all dry, I use the cool shot to return my hair to room temp and complete cuticle smoothing. What makes this dryer special is its unique focus on airflow and temperature. The dryer has 4 precise heat settings that are controlled by intelligent heat, maxing out at 302 degrees, and a powerful V9 digital motor combined with air multiplier technology for faster drying with more natural shine. Now that I have gotten the mid-lengths and ends dry, I am going to use the styling concentrator to dry my roots. This attachment gives you very controlled airflow to focus on an exact spot for precision styling. This is also the attachment you would use for straightening with a brush. I also like to use this to dry my roots after sweating through a workout. Next, I am going to use the wide tooth comb to lift and add volume at the root. This attachment is nice because it has an additional insert to really anchor it into the dryer for more stability when straightening. Something else to note is how wide the base of the teeth are, giving greater stability and some detangling help while drying. This is also a great attachment for safely shaping and stretching curls as they dry. I am using the low heat and speed setting and inserting the comb and gently lifting about 2 or 3 inches away from the scalp. I'm basically using it like a heated pick. Now I'm going to use the gentle air attachment, which acts kind of like a diffuser, but giving more airflow strength and faster drying is still gentle enough for fine hair and sensitive scalp. This is what I would recommend for enhancing volume, light curl stretching, or rough drying before straightening with lower temperatures or the cool shot. And last, I am using the new flyaway attachment. This one is made as a finishing tool to smooth flyaways after straightening while adding shine, but I find it useful for curls too, especially those sections around a parting. You can also use this attachment to smooth section in the days after styling. The airflow and the unique shape of this attachment uses the Coanda effect to smooth flyaways up to 62% in a single pass. This attachment is definitely a game changer because I would would ordinarily rely on a concentrator nozzle held at an angle for this type of task. Overall, I would give the Dyson Supersonic 10s across the board. Materials are high quality, it's very lightweight and quiet, easy to hold, there are lots of attachments included, and it's been tested and vetted to protect curls from damage. Lots of things can be expensive and not give what they were supposed to have gave, but in this case, this tool is worthy of the monetary investment. I hope this review was helpful and informative in your pursuit of quality tools. In the About section below this video, you will find links to Dyson.com to learn more about the Dyson Supersonic and the new attachments, or by visiting MoKnowsHair.com.